The police have begun a high-level probe into a series of shooting incidents last night in St. Catherine, which can be described as scenes from an action movie. The force is now in damage control mode as 3 of its members have been implicated in the wrongdoings, including murder. At the same time, a good cop is being praised for his bravery. Amidst that, a family is crying for justice. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson explains.
It all started minutes to 12 last night in the parking lot for the Chedwin Park Cricket Ground in St. Catherine when a man identified as Sheldon Junior Biggs Daly was shot and killed. His shooters then attempted to escape in a white Nissan AD wagon. That's when an off-duty police officer noticed men putting firearms into their waist. The off-duty cop reportedly shouted at them, urging them to stop. The men responded, saying they were police officers, and quickly boarded their vehicle and sped off. So the off-duty officer gave chase, trading gunshots with the men along Old Harbour Road. Upon reaching the stoplight at the intersection of Brunswick Avenue and Job Lane in Spanish Town, the 3 gunmen crashed their white Nissan AD wagon into a silver version of the same vehicle. The chasing off-duty cop was now on the scene. By this time, a crowd had gathered and the off-duty officer was assisted by one of his colleagues who was also off-duty. They managed to arrest one of the shooters. Another man was found suffering from gunshot wounds in the getaway car. He eventually died at hospital. The 3rd man escaped. Now the 3 gunmen in the getaway car turned out to be police officers who were said to be on suspension. The dead rogue cop's identity is not yet known. The identity of the one arrested is being withheld. And the 3rd is said to be a corporal. He's being urged to turn himself in immediately.
He's at large, and we are, the Jamaica Constabulary Force is cooperating with us at this time to have him apprehended. And indeed, I must congratulate the JCF in their full cooperation with INDICOM in this investigation to assist us to where we are now. And we have all brought all of the forensic disciplines to bear on this investigation, and it is well advanced.
5 handguns, a siren, and other police paraphernalia were seized from the getaway car. Now let's go back to the crash. Remember, the gunmen were trying to make their escape in a white vehicle when they crashed into a grey vehicle of the same model. Well, the family of 31-year-old Kevron Burrell, who was in the grey vehicle, is demanding justice.
That's you know, you can't say you follow a car from we are Old Harbour Road and come we are Brunswick Avenue and you see the license plate number. You see what color car, that's the car we are run down out there, so, and you left and go over, go kill my son in my car, just go shoot up a youth. Yeah, because all of them knock out the car, mash up, the whole of them knock out. The girlfriend, the fiancé, what you say the gunshot, she knock out, and then the gunshot wake her up. And said, don't kill me, say time. The brother there, push out here and I say, boy, I don't have no gunman. This man will go over his station. The station and say, boy, a bad judgment. For my son. This is the way you want to tell me. Bad judgment. My son deserved that. But
he was shot multiple times in the upper body. He and his 3 relatives were traveling to Linstead for a wake. Kevron had only flown into the country a few days ago for the funeral on Sunday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.